Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use P2P trading on Bybit. Firstly, on the top navigation bar of the Bybit dashboard, click Buy Crypto, then P2P Trading. To use the P2P block feature, select P2P block on the page. On the buy page, you can filter offers based on coin type, fiat currency, amount you want to buy, payment method, and even other criteria like depending on your needs. Key things to check in the advisors listing: advertiser column, price column, available or limits, payment method column, verification required or not. Now choose your preferred advertisement and click Buy USDT or the crypto you want. Enter the fiat amount you want to pay or the crypto amount you want to receive, then click Buy to proceed. If the order requires verification, you'll see a countdown timer. Just click Verify now and upload the requested proof like ID, bank statement or payment slip, etc. Now you'll see a countdown timer to complete your payment to the seller's bank account. Double check order details and transfer the funds via the chosen method, then click Pay Now or Payment Completed to verify and notify the seller. Just note that if you don't transfer funds in time or if your Bybit balance is insufficient, the order will be auto-cancel, and always pay the exact amount shown in the order. Also, release of coins happens only after the seller confirms your payment, so for safety, always complete communication and payments within Bybit's platform. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.